Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. How to collect Craspedia seeds. Now this is also known as a drumstick flower, and it has a few other names that I'll put down in the description. So this is what the blooms look like on these, and I do have a playlist on my channel for how to grow and start these from seed. And I'm growing these in the greenhouse. And this one here did go to seed for me. So you can see the seed pod is starting. It's actually the flower head itself, and every one of these little flowers here turns into a flower seed, providing it was pollinated. So let me just take this, whoops, I'll have to get them then. Take this apart here. Okay. Okay, so there's a lot of chaff in here, so let me get my little container here so I can show you what the seeds look like. And this is what your Craspedia seeds look like here. And I did take the little top cap from the blossom off of it there, so this here is the seed. And I will be storing these in an envelope, and I will be labeling it. And then I'll be taking the envelope and I will be putting it in a Ziploc bag and storing it in the refrigerator so that I get a longer shelf life out of my seeds. And then when I'm ready to plant it, I will just take my seeds out and I will go ahead and plant them in my prepared planting media. So you can see there's still more of the seed head left there in the seed pods. So I'll take the rest of this apart to get my seeds out of it. Now, I did do a video on what to look for when selecting your seeds from your plants, and you can check that out on my channel. Now, this particular variety is an open pollinated variety, so I can collect seeds from it, and it will seed true because it didn't have anything else to cross with. So another thing you can do is you can take this entire thing off and just take it apart like that. I didn't do that because I have some limited space right now that I'm working with, but that is another option that you can do. Now you can just see here it's just coming apart right in my hand, and I will look for the seeds that I dropped because they will germinate in the greenhouse. And here's another one right here. So that's how you collect Craspedia seeds. And you can see there's another Craspedia seed right here. Now, I did see where these can actually, the flower spheres will actually start shedding these, like the wind will catch them and can blow them away. So you definitely want to make sure that you get your seeds before the wind can get a chance to take off with them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!